Sa anong paraan po ba kaya natin mararanasan si Jesus ngayong panahon? Ngayong panahon. That's 2,000 years nakaraan na. Sa ating gospel today, sabi dito, mapalad kayong nakakita ngayon sa akin dahil marami pong nangarap na makakita ngunit hindi nakakita. Ngunit hindi nakakita. He addressed these words to His disciples. Totoo nga namang mapalad sila sapagkat talagang nakita nila yung mukha ni Jesus. Talagang narinig niya siyang nagtuturo sa kanila. We didn't have that privilege to see Jesus as they did 2,000 years ago. As they did 2,000 years ago. Pero kahit ganun pa man, mapalad din po tayo to see Him and experience Him in many other ways. In many other ways. Ngayong panahon, isa pong kailangan na bagay para maranasan o makita si Jesus sa ating buhay. And that is to see things always in the eyes of faith. To see things always in the eyes of faith. Mula noon, ang dami pong nagbago. Mula noon. He sent His disciples. Ito'y umabot hanggang dito, sa Peña, sa Paco. Kung nung una, they celebrated in houses, ang ganitong celebration, ngayon, nasa simbahan po tayo. Marami pong nagbago. Itong pananampalatayang ito umabot hanggang dito. Mayroon tayong mga sakramento na kung saan mararanasan natin ang presensya ng Diyos. Sabi nga sa isang aklat, whenever the word is proclaimed, it is Jesus Himself speaking to us. Whenever the host is raised, it is Jesus Himself being raised in Calvary. It is made present in the Eucharist. Then, natitikman natin siya, naririnig natin siya, nahahawakan natin siya. Nahahawakan natin siya. Mula nung una, ang daming Santo Papang nagdaan. Now we have Pope Francis. Ibig po sabihin, Christ continues to be present among us. Patuloy po siyang nananahan sa atin until today. He sustains us through the sacraments. Inuhubog niya tayo, binubusog niya tayo. He speaks to us in countless ways. Pwedeng through a person or through a friend. Pwedeng through an event. Through the sacraments. He speaks to us through His church, priests, at mga sakramento. Alam ko pong we all desire to see Jesus, to experience Jesus, gaya nung naranasan ng disipulos. And we can do so sacramentally. But of course, there's one thing needed, to see things always in the eyes of faith.